Hi guys, we're here at the PCA 2022 in Las Vegas. We are the Villiger booth and we're trying to show you guys what we're showcasing at the show. We have mainly two things to present. One of them is our beautiful Villiger Miami. This one is a limited edition that we're making only in two sizes. Laguito #1 that is 7.5 by 38, the one that I have in my hand. And we have a Robusto, a 5 by 50. It's a limited edition because it's tobaccos from 2015 and 2016, and we only had enough tobacco to make 5,000 cigars of each side. They come in boxes of 10 cigars, and that means that we have 500 boxes of each one of the sizes. We're expecting to have the cigars in the market by the first week of August, but the cigars has been made since December last year. So we're very proud of this cigar. I think it's one of the best cigars that we have put in the market. It's a cigar that I personally enjoy a lot. By the way, it's called Villiger Miami, but it's not made in Miami. The reason for being Villiger Miami is because it was a cigar that in the last year I've been giving to the people that were visiting us in the office. So when we were looking for the name, the customers were calling the cigar Villiger Miami, so we decided to go with that name and using the Villiger Miami as the name for the cigar. We're expecting maybe to make new editions in the following years, but this year you will enjoy this one. It's a mild to medium cigar, flavorful, but on the mild side. We're also featuring this year La Libertad that we introduced on January for this year, but now, exposing the cigar to the PCA friends. So we're very proud of La Libertad, and we're very pleased with the new Villiger Miami that we have for you guys. We hope that you enjoy it as much as we do.